Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jerica Monique here. So today I'm bringing you a skincare video. Typically I do mostly like makeup videos on my channel. One thing that you do need to take care of before applying any type of makeup is taking care of your skin. So yeah, if you want bomb makeup, make sure your skin is taken care of underneath. So like my skin is, I would say, combination skin. I have like a really oily T-zone, then I get dry like around my mouth area, and it's so annoying. So I just wanted to introduce something different on my channel. So like I wanted to do a exfoliating video. So today I'm bringing you something that's a DIY. It's very easy. You probably got all these ingredients already in your home. That is nothing expensive or anything, or if you don't have it, just run to Walmart or some grocery store and pick it up. But anyway, this scrub or exfoliator is only gonna require 4 things. One is a lemon, some coffee grounds, some honey, and then some sugar. You will need a mixing bowl and a spoon to put all the ingredients in, and then I also have a paper plate and a plastic knife here. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by cutting my lemon in half and then squeezing the juice into the bowl that I have here. Now I'm gonna take the second half of the lemon and squeeze that in also. You wanna make sure you get all the juice into the bowl. And if any seeds fall into the bowl, you just take a spoon and dig those out. This can get messy, so I just went and grabbed some paper towels just in case. So now I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of this to start off with. And this smells so good. It's funny because I used to hate drinking coffee and now I love it, which is very weird. Is that weird or is it just me? So I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of this and put it in the lemon juice. Now I'm going to take some of this honey and take about 2 tablespoons of honey and mix it in. Now I'm going to take some of this sugar and pour about 2 tablespoons in as well. So this is what I have thus far. Now I'm going to take my spoon and stir it all in. Mix it all up. Now mine is looking a little watery because I had so much lemon juice. So I'm going to take another tablespoon of coffee, stir that in, and then take some more honey to thicken it up with. You don't want it too runny because then it'll just get super messy. And I'm also putting more sugar. It's okay if I make a lot or more than I need for one application, because I have these little mason jars that I got at Walmart that I'm going to store it in so I can reuse the mask throughout the week. I did apply more coffee because it's just too runny. I wanted to make it like into like a paste. It needs to just be a little bit thicker, and I did just add more honey. I think next time I'm just going to use like a half a lemon maybe. Ooh, my hand get tired. Okay, I think this is thick enough. I did make quite a bit, but like I said, I have those mason jars. They came in a 4-pack at Walmart, so I'll just be able to store some later and use it later. Whatever I have left over after this first application. And I did want to say this is my first time ever trying this exfoliator, so I'm testing it out as I'm showing it to you guys too. So yeah. Okay, so this is the mask. It's nice and thick, not too runny, nice and chunky. And I did want to say I did wash my face prior to applying this mask. I used my Clarisonic spin brush and then also my Dudu Asan black soap, the African black soap that I ordered from Amazon. And my face is nice and clean right now. Now I'm just gonna dig in. You kind of want to avoid the eye area because it does have lemon in it, so you don't want to sting your eyes with the mask. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this mask on for about 10 to 20 minutes and let it dry, and then I'll be back once I rinse it off with warm water. So yeah, see you in a few. Hey guys, so I want to come right back to you before I rinse this off my face. It's been about 20 minutes that I've had it on my face, and my face is like somewhat stiff. It's not too hard. Feels weird, but yeah. I'm gonna go rinse this off with warm water, and then I'll come back to you and I'll start the lip scrub. Okay, so I just rinsed the exfoliator off my face. You know, my skin feels really smooth and soft. So from here you can go ahead and apply your toner and your moisturizer, but I'm actually gonna do a lip scrub also, and I'm using two of the ingredients that I use for the face exfoliator, which would be the sugar and then also the honey that I use for the face exfoliator. I'm just gonna mix these together in a small mixing bowl with my plastic spoon and create a scrub out of that, and I'm gonna apply this to my lips to also exfoliate my lips as well. And you'll also need a toothbrush to do the exfoliating. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this in warm water and then brush on my lips a bit. You don't wanna be too rough, just do gentle strokes. I'm gonna take about 2 tablespoons of sugar and then also 2 tablespoons of honey. This is what it's looking like, all stirred up. Now I'm just gonna apply this to my lips with my finger. Oh, it just tastes so good. So I'm gonna let this set for about 5 minutes, and then I'll rinse it off with warm water, and then I'll be right back. My lip scrub is popping. My lip scrub is cool. All these boys keep joking. They chase me off. It's cool. Okay, so I just rinsed the lip scrub off my lips, and my lips are really soft right now. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my handy dandy Carmex to my lips so that they stay soft. And there you have it, an easy DIY face exfoliator and also a lip exfoliator that you can use with products you probably already purchased that you have at home, so you ain't got to go out and spend no money. So yeah, I hope these were helpful. Let me know down in the comment section if you're going to try any of these out, whether it be the face scrub or the lip scrub. Let me know down below. Now I did have some of each scrub left over. As you can see, I put both into these little mason jars that I got from Walmart, like I mentioned. I have a lot of this one left over, and then you can see how much of the lip scrub I have left over. So if you make too much, just try to find some little jars that you can put them in, and so you can save the rest instead of throwing it out and wasting products. So yeah, if you can, just pick some of these up at Walmart. These came in a pack of 4 for, it was like $7. It was less than $8 at Walmart. So you can find these at Walmart in like the cooking or home section, so you can, you know, have some storage for your leftover products. So yeah, I just wanted to put that in there. And also, this face mask and these masks in general are really messy. I got them all over my clothes, so make sure you use like a towel or just put on something that you don't really care about getting messed up before you apply these to your face. And yeah, you'll be all good. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.